Welcome dear friends, this is Umar Farouk from Off-White Studio. So this is my first tutorial that I am recording my audio. Before this, all of my tutorials were speed art videos and without any audio. I only attached just music. So you requested a lot that I should record proper tutorial instead of speed art, so here I am. In today's short tutorial we will start changing color of object. So in my Photoshop canvas you can see I have downloaded a single window on the wall. So we will try to change the color of this window. So I have downloaded these from Unsplash. You can try or can experiment on your own photos, or if you want to download the same photo, I will try to attach the link of this in the description of this video so that you can download it and start working on it and follow me. Okay, without wasting your time, let's start. First of all, I need to unlock the layer, and then first of all we will try to add hue saturation layer. From the bottom right corner you will see some of the shortcuts. So from this circle icon you can create hue saturation layer and you can see that this is our blue window. So from the master drop down you can try to adjust the blue by selecting the blue option, and when you will drag left or right you will see your window is being changed. Okay, and this time we will try to change the color of our window. Try to adjust until you are satisfied. Okay, okay, and try a little bit more options. Okay, also try to change the color balance. Okay, I think it is looking good. So now group both layers, and for short time I am going to hide it. So now select the pen tool. This is my favorite tool which I have used in my whole projects, you can say that without pen tool my Photoshop life is nothing. Try to crop all the image so that we could apply our filters and effects only that colored area that we required to change or update, and the other area we will fix later. Okay, I have completed inside of the window, so you can see how complex it is. So it took a lot of time to select individual part of the glass. So when you have completed, then you can go to path window. If you did not found here like on my Photoshop version, so you can go to window, and from the bottom you will see paths option. If you uncheck that, path will hide. Then if you again check that, path window will appear. So press Ctrl key from the keyboard and click on the work path, and you will see all of your selected area which you have selected by pen tool will be highlighted. Now visible the group that you have color balance and hue saturation layers. Now from the bottom right, click on the mask icon, and you will see only the selected area will be green. Okay, now we need to do a little bit more work. Now you need to select brush tool by pressing B or clicking on this, I think this icon. This is the brush tool. Now right click and select hardness 100%. Adjust the size according to your need and make sure your opacity should be 100%. Then try to erase unwanted area of the window. Where you did not want to apply the color. Okay, now we need to do a little more work on the black metal of the window. Sometimes this type of work took a lot of time and required a lot of efforts, so that's why you need to do it manually. I am just giving you the idea how you can implement these types of changes in your own project. I think we are done. Okay, so now you can say that 50% of our work is done. Now you can see that the bluish color is still there instead of this green. So now we need to change the environment color also. For that, first of all delete that layer and select the layer 0. From the effects panel, select the color balance, and this time we need to apply this color on overall layer so that we could change the colors. Okay, first of all we need to okay, first of all hold control and click on the mask layer of our group. Then you can see that our this mask area will be selected, and from the keyboard let's try Alt backspace to remove the color on the selected area so that our color balance layer effect will not be applied on the green area. So press Ctrl D to deselect, and now try to change the colors. You can see our color is updated. Okay, try to update shadow a little bit. Okay, also some highlights as well. Okay, Now we need to apply some levels, curves as well to look it more natural. Okay, and also we need to apply some color balance to overall layer. Okay, and also a little bit gradient map so that our color should look a little bit natural. Okay, try to change the blending mode. It is looking good, and try to update opacity a little bit. Okay, now select all layers and press Ctrl G to group all so that we could see our changes. Okay, now it is looking fine. This is the final result. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe our channel for more updates. So thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.